In this safety video, we will explain process safety management. This analytical tool focuses on preventing releases of any substance defined as a highly hazardous chemical, including the use of any storage, manufacturing, handling, or on-site movement of highly hazardous chemicals. Process safety management (PSM) is intended to prevent or minimize the consequences of catastrophic releases of toxic, reactive, flammable, or explosive chemicals in various industries such as refineries and to reduce the frequency and severity of incidents resulting from releases of chemicals and other energy sources. Process safety management (PSM) is intended to prevent or minimize the consequences of catastrophic releases of toxic, reactive, flammable, or explosive chemicals in various industries such as refineries and to reduce the frequency and severity of incidents resulting from releases of chemicals and other energy sources. Employees must be trained in the work practices necessary to perform the job and document that each employee has received and understands the required training. Records must be prepared which contain the employee's identity, the date of training, and the means used to verify that the employee understood the training. Each employee must be instructed in the known potential fire, explosion, or toxic release hazards related to the job and the process and the applicable provisions of the emergency action plan. Employees must abide by the hiring clients or facility safe work practices during operations such as lockout, tagout, confined space entry, opening process equipment, or piping and controls over entrance to facility. The company must advise the client of any unique hazards presented by the company's work or of any hazards found by the company's work. Employees must immediately report all accidents, injuries, and near misses. Incidents that have resulted in or could have resulted in a catastrophic release of highly hazardous chemicals in the workplace must be investigated within 48 hours of the incident. A report must be prepared at the conclusion of the investigation. The incident report's findings and recommendations must be promptly addressed and resolved. The report must be reviewed with all affected personnel and retained for 5 years. All employees must respect the confidentiality of trade secret information when the process safety information is released to them. Employees must not perform hot work until a hot work permit is obtained from the client or facility and kept on file until completion of the hot work operations. Considerations to address prior to any change include the technical basis for the proposed change, the impact of the change on safety and health, and any modifications to the operating procedures. Employees that are involved in operating a process or a job task that will be affected by a change must be informed and trained before startup. Thanks for watching another CMS safety video. Please like and subscribe for updates.